Over the years, I've been in many interesting places, but few more than this. Look where we are in the middle of everybody. And I'm delighted that someone I've known over the years and I've admired over the years for what she puts together. Nita Ambani is here as well. You've made this a tradition over all these years, and I can see what it means to you.
You know, this is not just a match. It is a celebration of hope, of dreams, and of joy. It is MI's favorite match day for the entire season. I mean, just look at the atmosphere. 19,000 children, all of them coming from underprivileged backgrounds, some of them specially abled. For most of them, this is their first time in a stadium to see a live match. So it's really so overwhelming here to see how the children are enjoying themselves. Also for them, many of these boys that play for Mumbai Indians and for India come from very humble backgrounds. So this is also an inspiration for them that they can dream and can be whatever they dream to be.
Now, you've been out meeting some of the NGOs today as well, the places from where all these children are coming here.
Yes, I have. And it's been quite fascinating. One of the little girls there says she wants to become Bumrah.
Yeah.
And I think one boy right down when I was there says he just wants to shake hands with Rohit Sharma. So can you just imagine if their hopes and aspirations can be fulfilled? They can reach the stars.
One more question for you before we finish. What are your personal ambitions for all these people who are coming here to watch a game today?
You know, at the heart of ESA is education and sports for all. I think children learn as much in a classroom as in a sports field. And I think today is a day of dreams and hopes. Maybe one of them can become a Harmanpreet. Someone can become Rohit Sharma. Or someone can become an anchor like you, Harsha.
Thanks.
So this is to tell parents also, let the children make their choices. And with support and with help, all children can reach the stars.
It's quite an exercise. It's what, 20,000 people today?
19,000 children with so many supervisors, 500 buses, and maybe 1 lakh meals. I think many of them also come here saying we love the delicious food. So there's a lot of joy that they're taking home from here.
And may it long continue that way. I look forward to this game too, because, you know, our cameras keep cutting to close-ups of the little children, and the joy just tells a story. So may it long continue. Wish you lots more strength.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Harsha. This match means a lot and is very, very dear to me.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.